Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Hamdallah Salama and I am excited to bring you this community service project from International Open University IOU. In this playlist, we will explore how to use digital Arabic calligraphy for creative design, a powerful skill to enhance your creativity and productivity using just your phone. In this video, Introduction to Digital Arabic Calligraphy, Module 1, we will cover what digital Arabic calligraphy is, the tools we'll be using, and why it is such a valuable skill. Let's get started. What is calligraphy? Calligraphy is the art of beautiful writing. It is not the same as normal handwriting. Handwriting basically means writing to communicate, while calligraphy means writing to look beautiful. Calligraphy needs special tools, patience, and lots of practice. The word calligraphy comes from Greek, kalos, which means beauty, and graphene, which means to write. So calligraphy literally means beautiful writing. There are the three major types of calligraphy. We have Western calligraphy, Eastern calligraphy, and Arabic calligraphy. In this course, we focus on Arabic calligraphy. Arabic calligraphy is the artistic writing of Arabic alphabets. It is used in art, books, architecture, education, and religious text. Traditional calligraphy uses tools like qalam pens, bamboo pens, but today we can also create calligraphy digitally. In this time and age, due to technology, technology has allowed us to be able to use better ways other than physical ways to do Arabic calligraphy. Digital Arabic calligraphy. This is the official name. This simply means creating calligraphy using devices like smartphones, tablets, and computers. An example would be calligraphy apps. Important Arabic calligraphy styles. There are three very famous styles. We have Kufi, one of the earliest styles named after the city of Kufa in Iraq. The features are very straight lines, geometric look, and very bold. It was one of the very first styles used for writing the Quran. As you can see, this is an example of the Kufic calligraphy, Arabic calligraphy style. It is very straight, very bold, and it almost looks very geometric. And then we have the Nashkh, which is the Naskhi. It was developed later after Kufi. The features are smooth, curved, and easy to read. Because it is clear and balanced, it became widely used in books and Quran printing. As you can see, this is an example. This is the Surah Al-Fatiha, and it is written in the Naskhi Arabic calligraphy style, which is the case for the Quran itself and basically all of the surahs. And then we have Thuluthi. It is more decorative. Its features are elegant, flowing, and stylish. It is commonly used in mosque decorations and artistic design. So when you see those posters of words like Allah, Prophet, or Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, or La ilaha illallah, those calligraphy, those styles are most of the time written in Thuluthi Arabic calligraphy style. Other styles also exist, like Nastaliq and Maghribi, but these three are the core classics. And then we have I'jam and Harakat, which are dots and vowel marks. Arabic letters can look very similar, so dots and marks help us read correctly. I'jam refers to the dots. There are dots on letters. For example, ba. like this one, but in Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. There is one dot below it for you to know that this is the letter ba. And then we have the letter ta. There are two dots above it. For a lot of the letters in Arabic, without dots, many letters would look identical. Then we have harakat, vowel marks. These are small symbols showing pronunciation. An example is fatha, which makes the a sound, kasra, which makes the e sound, dhamma, which makes the u sound. And then we also have sukun. This one is basically silent. Once you see it, it basically means that you won't really be making any of the vowel sounds. They help readers pronounce words correctly. And then we have tashkil. Tashkil is a general term for writing marks, including vowel signs. In calligraphy, these marks are sometimes added not only for reading, but also because they look beautiful in the design. You can see them in the thuluth design, this specific Arabic calligraphy. Some of these marks are not necessarily dots, and nor are they harakats. They're not harakat and they're not i'jam. They're just tashkil, and they're there so they can make the design look more beautiful. It's sometimes used for filling, but overusing them can make your calligraphy look extremely tacky, so you must be careful with the way you use them. And then we have alamat al-ihmal, special marks occasionally used in calligraphy. The purpose of alamat al-ihmal is to help distinguish similar letters, sometimes, and it's also sometimes used as decorative filters. Details are usually shown in visual examples or videos. Now, before we can even start with Arabic calligraphy, there are prerequisites, basically skills or devices that you need to be able to even attempt Arabic calligraphy. So before we begin, I will list your prerequisites and the things that will be needed for you to even start the Digital Arabic Calligraphy course for beginners. The prerequisites are: you must be able to read, write, and recognize Arabic. Basically meaning you must be able to read the letters, recognize the letters, be able to type out the letters, and you must be able to recognize them. You must also have a smartphone, a phone. You must have a phone, doesn't matter which type, just a phone. And then we have apps that you will need to download. First one being Ana Muhtarif al-Khat, which is used for creating Arabic calligraphy. This will be your most used app, second most used app for creating Arabic calligraphy. This is where your work will start, and it is where if you decide to continue to do Arabic calligraphy after this course, this app and another one will be the ones that you will use the most. And then you will need to download Fonto. Fonto, the purpose of this app is for English fonts. We will further explain the reason for this in the future modules. And then you have to download Calipro. In my opinion, this is the most important app that you must have on your phone. This is also for creating Arabic calligraphy, and you will use this more than Ana Muhtarif al-Khat. And then you have to download Pixel Lab. Pixel Lab is for applying your calligraphy into designs. This is so that your calligraphies will not just be basic, you can also apply them to designs, maybe to print or to sell. And then we have CT Design. CT Design app is for design templates. They have lots of beautiful templates, and you can just apply your calligraphies directly onto them without having to create one yourself. So by the end of this course, what you will learn is to be able to design professional looking Arabic calligraphy, apply your calligraphy in digital designs like posters, stickers, and social media graphics, and then learn some additional creative tricks to enhance your design. So that's it for this introduction. Next up, we will dive into the app interface and explore its features, and I will see you in the next video. Happy designing. Join us next time for more lessons on developing your digital design skills. Subscribe to Ademola Hub and Services for more tutorials. Happy designing.